this video I want to show you how to make a winter melon yogurt curry, which is very tasty, and usually whenever I make it, it's a big winner. Whoever tastes it likes to have it again. So I thought I'll capture this and make a video. So I've got this winter melon which I have cut into cubes, as you can see, and it's boiling in water with a little bit of salt. So I'm just cooking the vegetable here. Now I'm going to grind coconut. So I've got frozen coconut with some green chilies and ginger and cumin. So all of these together, along with some curry leaves as well. I'm just going to get some curry leaves from the garden, pop it all into this, make a paste, and then I'll put this paste into the vegetable and add yogurt at last. So I'll show you step by step. So these are the ingredients: ginger, cumin, green chili, and coconut. If you don't have curry leaves, it's fine, but I have some excess, I'm going to add it. So I got these beautiful curry leaves from my plant, which I've been nurturing for the last few years, and I've got these beautiful green curry leaves, and I'm going to add that and make a paste out of this whole thing. I'm going to add this blended coconut mixture into this winter melon, which is almost cooked. So this will just take 1 minute, less than 1 minute. I'll let it just come to a boil and then switch it off. You can see at this stage you don't want the coconut to boil over. It just started bubbling, so I'm switching it off. It's done. So now I'm going to do a tempering for the curry. So I'm using some coconut oil, and I will add some mustard, a little bit more, and I'm going to add some methi leaves, methi seeds. All these ingredients have a different constitution based on Ayurveda. Each ingredient, like for example, the mustard is hot, it's got more heat in it, and methi seeds has more cooling in it. And similarly, if you see all the ingredients in the curry as well, they all have different constitution, but when the whole recipe itself makes it into a balanced vata, pitta, kapha dish, which makes us balanced as well. So I love these beautiful traditional recipes that are so tasty as well. And here I saved some curry leaves for the tempering, so I'm going to put that in. Let's fry. Done. I'll switch that off, and I'm going to pour this. Now the cooking part is fully done. I'm going to give this a mix, and when this cools down a little bit, I'm going to add yogurt into it, and the curry is done. This is the final step. The curry has cooled down. It's just warm now. So at this stage, I'm using Greek yogurt. You can add any yogurt. So plain yogurt, I've added 4 scoops. Mix the whole thing. So the curry is done. It's beautiful. I'm going to serve it with boiled white rice, and this with another vegetable on the side. It tastes beautiful. So I'm serving this rice with, I made some sweet potato dish earlier, and with rice and this curry. To my husband. So for the moment of truth, How's it, Vijay?
Fresh, lot of flavor, and though it's hot, it's surprisingly cooling. Thank you.
This morning I made putta, the steamed brown rice with coconut in the steamer for breakfast. So if you are interested to know this recipe, you can find it on my channel as well. Thank you for watching. Hope you try this recipe and let me know how you like it. Thanks for watching again. If you've not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to be notified. Thank you. Have a nice day.